Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Today, we're tackling a pain in the, well, back, literally. Back pain is one of the most common reasons people seek medical help or miss work. It can really impact your quality of life. But before you reach for those pain meds, we're exploring natural ways to find relief. So if you're ready to stand tall and pain-free, stick around. I know. When your back hurts, exercise is probably the last thing you want to do. The mere thought of moving around can seem daunting and painful. But trust me on this one. It might sound counterintuitive, but exercise can actually be one of the best remedies for back pain. Regular physical activity is crucial for a healthy back. It keeps your muscles strong and flexible, which is essential for supporting your spine. Why? Because it helps strengthen those core muscles that support your spine. A strong core acts like a natural brace for your back. Think of it like this: strong core, happy back. When your core is strong, it takes the pressure off your lower back. Now, I'm not talking about hitting the gym and lifting heavy weights. Start slow and gentle. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or water aerobics are fantastic for back pain. These activities are easy on your joints and can be done at your own pace. They get you moving without putting too much stress on your spine. The key is to keep your body active and engaged. Yoga is another great option. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It's amazing for flexibility, strength, and stress reduction, all important factors in managing back pain. The gentle stretches can help alleviate tension in your back muscles. Look for beginner-friendly yoga classes or search for gentle flows online. There are plenty of resources available to guide you. And remember, listen to your body. It's important to pay attention to how your body responds to different exercises. If something feels off, stop and modify. Don't push through pain. Instead, find a variation that works for you. Now let's talk about swimming. It's one of the best exercises for back pain. The buoyancy of the water supports your weight, taking pressure off your joints and allowing for a wider range of motion. This makes it easier to move without discomfort. Plus, it's a great cardiovascular workout, which benefits overall health. Swimming can improve your endurance and help you stay fit. If you're unsure about which exercises are right for you, talk to your doctor or a physical therapist. They can provide professional advice tailored to your condition. They can help create a personalized exercise plan that addresses your specific needs and limitations. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine and make it a part of your daily life. Start small, gradually increase the intensity, and celebrate those small victories along the way. Every step forward is progress, and your back will thank you for it. We all know stretching is important, but let's be honest, how many of us actually do it regularly? It's easy to overlook, but the benefits are immense. Well, if you suffer from back pain, it's time to make stretching a priority. Regular stretching can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Just like exercise, stretching helps improve flexibility and range of motion, which can alleviate back pain. It also promotes better posture and reduces muscle tension. Let's start with a simple knee-to-chest stretch. This stretch is great for releasing tension in your lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Make sure your back is in a neutral position. Bring one knee towards your chest, holding it with both hands. Keep your other foot flat on the floor. Hold for 20 seconds, feeling the stretch in your lower back. Breathe deeply and relax into the stretch. Repeat on the other side. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of this stretch. Next up, the cat-cow stretch. This dynamic movement helps to mobilize your spine and relieve tension. Start on all fours, hands shoulder-width apart and knees hip-width apart. Ensure your spine is in a neutral position. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch along your spine. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This is the cow pose. Repeat this flow for 5 to 10 breaths. This sequence helps to increase spinal flexibility and reduce stiffness. Another great stretch is the piriformis stretch. This one targets a muscle in your buttock that can contribute to back pain. This stretch is particularly beneficial if you experience sciatica or tightness in your hips. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Keep your back straight and engage your core. Cross your right leg over your left, placing your right foot flat on the floor. Your left leg should remain extended. Place your right hand on the floor behind you and your left hand on your right thigh. This will help you maintain balance. Gently twist your upper body to the right, looking over your right shoulder. Feel the stretch in your buttock and lower back. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. This stretch can help to release tension and improve mobility. Remember, stretching shouldn't be painful. It should feel like a gentle pull, not a sharp pain. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any sharp pain. It's important to stretch within your comfort zone. Try incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, especially after exercise or long periods of sitting. Consistent stretching can lead to long-term relief and improved flexibility. Let's dive into the world of temperature therapy, focusing specifically on the use of hot and cold packs. These simple tools can be your best friends when it comes to managing different types of back pain, whether it's acute or chronic. They work by either reducing inflammation or relaxing muscles, depending on what your body needs at the moment. So, how do you decide which one to use and when to use it? For acute back pain, which is pain that's recent and often the result of an injury, ice is your go-to option. Ice helps reduce inflammation and numb the area, providing immediate pain relief and reducing swelling. Apply an ice pack wrapped in a thin towel to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, several times a day, to get the best results. Now, for chronic back pain, the kind that lingers for weeks or even months, heat therapy can be more effective and soothing. Heat helps relax muscles, increase blood flow, and ease stiffness, making it easier to move and reducing discomfort. You can use a heating pad, take a warm bath, or even use a hot water bottle to apply heat to the affected area. Apply heat for 20 to 30 minutes at a time, and do this several times a day to keep the muscles relaxed and the pain at bay. You can also alternate between hot and cold therapy for a more comprehensive approach. Start with ice to reduce inflammation and numb the pain, then switch to heat to relax the muscles and improve blood flow. This alternating method can be particularly helpful for muscle spasms, providing both immediate and long-term relief. As always, listen to your body and adjust the temperature and duration as needed to find what works best for you. You've probably been told to sit up straight a million times, and for good reason. Poor posture can wreak havoc on your back, leading to pain and discomfort. But don't worry, improving your posture is easier than you might think. Let's start with how you sit. Make sure your chair provides good back support. Keep your feet flat on the floor or use a footrest if needed. Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle. Avoid slouching or hunching over your desk. Instead, imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. When standing, distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Avoid locking your knees. Think about lengthening your spine, as if you're trying to grow taller. Now, I know we all love our phones, but looking down at them constantly can lead to tech neck, which strains your neck and upper back. Try holding your phone at eye level to avoid this. Improving your posture takes conscious effort, but the benefits are worth it. Good posture not only reduces back pain, but also improves breathing, digestion, and even your mood. For centuries, people have turned to nature to find relief from various ailments, including back pain. While more research is needed, some herbal remedies show promise in reducing inflammation and pain. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. You can add turmeric to your food or take it in supplement form. Ginger is another popular spice with anti-inflammatory effects. It's been used for centuries to treat nausea, but it can also help with pain and stiffness. You can drink ginger tea, add ginger to your meals, or take ginger supplements. Before trying any herbal remedies, it's essential to talk to your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and potential interactions with other medications you're taking. So there you have it, our top natural methods for finding relief from back pain. From exercise and stretching to hot and cold therapy and even exploring herbal remedies, there are plenty of ways to manage your pain without relying solely on medication. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Don't expect overnight miracles. Give these methods time to work their magic. If you're dealing with chronic or severe back pain, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. They can help create a personalized treatment plan that's right for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these natural methods for back pain relief? What worked best for you? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, take care and keep those backs healthy.